Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Aarati. By the title you guys already know what this video is. This is all about the counterfeit products. I want to try doing something like this whenever I can find products online, because I've seen a lot of these products online for MAC, for Huda Beauty. I've also seen it for Kylie. So I wanted to try doing a video on whether these are good or there are good dupes, at least here and there. But these are mostly counterfeit products that are really harmful when used on the face or body, so please keep that in mind. But yeah, I have a full face of counterfeit MAC. So before starting this video, let me just confirm, let me just clarify what dupe and counterfeit is. So dupe is something like, for example, if I have expensive MAC lipstick, let's just suppose a Ruby Woo, okay, that is about 2,300 rupees, and there is a similar kind of a lipstick in Blue Heaven Elegance lip color, that is 0304. I will leave both the pictures on the screen so that you guys can see. So the Blue Heavens is a dupe for Ruby Woo of MAC. So that is what dupe is. Counterfeit is nothing but it is ripping off the brand for much cheaper prices. Personally, I don't encourage products that are counterfeit. Dupes, yes, but not counterfeit. So I have a full face of MAC right here. So let's get started. I'm just looking right here because I have my mirror, I have my cameras, and I'm trying to play with my setup because I want to like move around and see how well it is. So let's get started with the video. So I have a full face of MAC right here, so let's see how far this goes. The first one is their infamous MAC Studio Face and Body Foundation. This is how it looks like. There's nothing in this. I removed them from the packaging. So this is how it looks like. Like by the look of this, I can clearly say that this is not the original, because this is not how MAC is written. I do have a bunch of MAC products that I will show you guys, the original MAC products as well. But yeah, this is I think all of this I got it for about 1,400 rupees, and yeah, I got it off of Amazon. The first product that I have is actually the MAC Studios Face and Body Foundation. This is how it looks like. I'm going to show you guys a closer picture of the bottle. You guys will definitely understand that this is like such a bad ripoff, and even the way it's written as, and I'm going to like turn it around. Can you guys see this? It's so badly manufactured. This is how you know that this is not the original product. However, I am like just gonna give it a good shake and try to swatch as much as possible. Alright, it comes with a pierced nib, so I'm gonna just like, I just removed the nib because I have to like poke it. Oh, can you guys see this? This is in no way. Oh my god. Okay, this is how it looks like. It's so runny, and look at the color. It's, oh my god, I don't even know what this is supposed to be. Oh my god, it has so much fragrance in it. I cannot even like, I can't even breathe through it. This is so bad. Oh my god, it's such a bad manufacturing, and I do not like it at all. This is how it looks like. I am trying to give you guys a closer look at how it looks like. Oh my god, it's so chunky. It is so pale, and oh god, it doesn't look it doesn't look like something that is supposed to be actually worn on skin. So I'm gonna let that go because I'm just cleaning it up so that I can like swatch a couple of things. But not a fan, definitely a flop. This is not what MAC is, and I don't think there is a shade on this. Yeah, there's no shade, and it's not great. I just can't. It's definitely, I'm just throwing it off. I'm not gonna even like think about it. The next thing I have is the very infamous MAC Prep and Prime Skin Base. This is how it is. This is their I think this is their studio finish kind of a foundation. I will leave the original pictures on the screen right now so that you guys can compare. but oh my god, this is actually nice because this is having like a glass kind of a bottle. But I'm going to show you guys a close-up of every product so that you guys can see what it is. It says a MAC Prep and Prime, and it does not say anything in English. This is called as a base visage or visage or whatever that is. And when I turn around, it does not give me the products as well. It just says Crystal Whitening Essence.
Add a lot of plant essence, open the skin gate, moisten the skin deeply to replenish water and nutrients for myocytes. Keep your skin youthful.
Okay, this is something crazy. What is he talking? Also in the directions, listen to this.
Apply on cleansed face and neck in the evening before your night cream. Avoid eye contour.
Like, dude, a foundation. This is a foundation and they expect me to like apply it before my night cream. This is not what it says. I'm like, apply it on your face before. Oh my god, it's completely different. Anyways, it does come with this twist kind of a packaging. So I'm gonna swatch it right here. Okay, here goes nothing. I'm very scared that it's gonna oh god, can you guys see that? I'm gonna try doing it another one. Hopefully it will squat bad. Also, there was no shade ranges, so this was not like a shade range that I could select. It was bluntly there, so I'm just trying to like apply it. I'm just applying it all over so that I can see whether it works on the skin. Oh my god, this smells so bad. These are such harmful chemicals. Like, this is how it looks like. I did not blend it too much, but yeah, this is how it looks. Like in the corners wherein I applied very little, it kind of mattified my skin. It looks really good in this side. Like, okay, let me try focusing it properly. Can you guys see the difference? I applied like very little over here and it gives me that mattified look. Maybe it does work. I'm never going to use it on my face. Firstly, I thought I'm going to do a first impressions, like apply it on my face and all. But looking at the packaging and the way they've arrived, I've decided that I can't take that risk. So I'm just cleaning it off, but I wanted to show you guys what it is. Like, you know, please don't get like fooled by all these companies selling high-end products for cheaper prices. They might not be good. The ingredients might be very, very sketchy. So please put that in mind. The last one that I have from the base products is their Studio Fix Powder Plus Foundation NC30. It says NC30 on the packaging itself. So let me open it and you guys will have such a shock. I'm just opening it now. So can you guys see the condition in what it arrived? Can you guys see that white kind of a cast? Like, oh yeah, can you see that? I did not do anything. I got it like this and it kind of shakes. I'm gonna show you guys. Can you guys hear that sound? This button is like completely broken. Like, it's so soft. Like, the minute I touch it, it's gonna open. And oh my god, look at the mirror. Look at the inside. Wow. It's not even sealed properly. This is how it looks like. And this is the compact. It's so disgusting. It looks so bad, you guys, and I'm trying to like zoom in so that you guys can see an NC30 color. I don't think this is an NC30, but it's very, oh my god. Okay, this, like, how do you expect for somebody to use this? Like, it's disgusting. Okay, this is not how a MAC Studio Fix foundation will ever come, and I don't think they've even started off like this. If you are somebody who can't afford a 2000 rupees worth of lipstick and you buy something like this just for 50 bucks, you will have the bad impression of the company itself. So it's not a good thing. The last one in the base is, oh, I think I told the powder was the last one, but I have another one. This is their, this is the MAC Select Cover Up Corrector. This is what it says. It says it's a MAC Cover Up Corrector. It has nothing, it's just very simple. And yeah, let's see what it goes. Can you guys see the difference between this color, like the combo here, and the original color all over? I feel like this is not on the packaging. I tried shaking it a bunch of times, but I don't think it's mixing up that well. But let's see. Oh, this is how it looks like. I'm gonna try applying it. Oh, they have this typical fragrance smell that Okay, this looks much like a concealer. Okay, this is how it looks like. This looks like much of a concealer. It has that good consistency. However, it is such highly fragranced that I don't think anybody should use, especially near your eyes, because eyes are very sensitive. So yeah, I don't think it's a good product. Also, I got all of this as a package, so I wanted to show you guys. The next couple of things are really funny things. I have the MAC False Lash Effect Full Lashes Natural Look Mascara. I don't even know whether MAC has this kind of a bad packaging. I don't know if I'm wrong, but okay, I'm trying to open it. Yeah, can you guys see that? Like, you know, it's very plasticky. First thing, you can kind of touch it and see the bristles are really good. It's coated really well, but oh yeah, this also has that same bad fragrance. I'm never using something like this near my eyes because it's very dangerous, because your eyes are much more sensitive, so it's better we take care of what happens. The next thing I have is a liquid proof eyeliner from it says liquid eyeliner waterproof. So this is how it looks like. Oh my god, it's not even a felt tip. Okay, this is how it looks like. This tip is not even bending. I'm gonna try. Okay, can you guys see this? It's not even bending. This tip is very strong. It's like a metal nib, but it dries down really fast. Can you guys see this? It's already dried down. Yeah, it looks really good. It's decent, but if it was some other brand with their own name, I might have tried it, but not as a counterfeit. And oh, I didn't smell it. Oh my god, it smells like that. Do you remember those $3-4 ke? I mean, do you remember those 30 rupees, 40 rupees ke face washes that we used to get when we were kids? It smells like that. It smells like an aqua face wash kind of a product, but yeah, not a fan. I think the only couple of things that I am a fan of are, in the end, I saved the best for the last, because I feel like those are much, like, you know, thoda redeemable kind of. The next thing I have is the MAC False Effect Eyebrow Pencil, and the beautiful thing is I've received a broken part. Can you guys see this? It's broken, and I open it. It says it's an eyebrow pencil and it is black in color, so I think they are in like a Purana Zamana. But look at how pigmented this is. It's really quick, it's really fast. But yeah, I wanted to show you guys everything that I got, and I got it broken. Not a fan. And the last one I have is the MAC Technicolor Liner Eye Lip Liner. It says liner, eye and lip, liner, kajal. So you can use it for lips. So anyways, it comes in a twist up format like this, and oh my god. It has no smell, it has nothing, but it does come up in a twist up kind of a pencil format, so that's good, but not a fan. And the last couple of products I have are lipsticks, that I feel like lipsticks is something that MAC is super famous for, their Ruby Woo and all of that, but I did not get that. I got the limited edition Mariah Carey's lipstick in the shade. I don't even have the shade name. I can't even tell you guys what the shade is, but this is how it looks like. This is more of, I think it's coming off as a red, but it is not red. It is more of a maroon kind of a color. So I'm gonna just swatch it here so that you guys can see. It has this child makeup kind of a fragrance to it. It does have a lot of fragrance, and I love the packaging though. However, even though it is a counterfeit product, I love the packaging. It says Mariah Carey for MAC, so yeah, it's really good. But the thing is, it has so high fragrance, I can't even. The next couple of lipsticks I got these two lipsticks. So the first one is a beautiful red, and the reason I tell you that it is counterfeit is, can you guys see this? I am twisting it, it's not at all coming up. So yeah, I don't even know what to do with this. I'm trying to like twist it so bad. Wow. This is not how MAC products look or even feel like. Okay, got it out. So I'm just gonna swatch this. This is much of a rich red. It has a coral pigmentation on it. So this is how it looks like. I love how beautiful the color is and all of that. I love the packaging as well. Look at this. This is such a pretty packaging. And the last one is more of a nude. It has the same issue. These don't come up really. Okay, got it. This is also showing off as red on screen, but it is not red. It's more of a nude shade. Okay, this is more of a pink shade. It's not of a nude shade. Okay, it's not translating as is on the lips. So this is how it looks like. Okay. Oh my god, this has such bad fragrance. Not a fan, not a fan, not a fan. This at least has a sweetened fragrance to it. This does not. This has more of a, I want to say more chemical kind of a fragrance. And oh my god, I can't even imagine putting it on my lips. Anyways, these are shades. The shades are pretty, but I don't think it's worth taking the risk with my face and body. So yeah, and the last product that I have is their sponge. I don't even know whether this is an iconic sponge, but I got this as a set. But it does feel nice. I think out of everything in this is the only thing I am willing to use after like properly boiling it and all the germing and all of that. It did not even come in a container. It directly came like this. So I'm kind of scared about it, but yeah, those are all the products that I've ordered off of MAC, and these are not legit MAC products because MAC is such an amazing brand, and I feel like most of us have started our collection borrowing MAC lipsticks from our mums. But please be careful when you guys are buying online because these products are very, very harmful. Forget about the price point and all of that. When you use such kind of products on your face, you will have to face such a severity because the chemicals are not good. The reason we pay such huge amount is because of the ingredients, because of the safety tests they go upon. So yeah, I hope you guys really make your mind and do a proper research when you're buying some products like this. I just wanted to create a video just to give you guys a little knowledge about how these products can be scamming and how these products can cause harm to your skin. Forget about the price and all of that, but these are such harmful products that you can put it on your skin and it will have to take a toll. So please be careful while you are buying makeup or something that is going near your eyes or even near your face. So yeah, I hope you guys really enjoyed this. If you did, go ahead, hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, come join my family you guys, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.